Hi, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to show you guys a few of the vinyls that I picked up from CSDS and from BAMF, BAMF. And so we'll start with CSDS. I got a few items here. So first I got this sweet Christmas twisted vinyl for a 20 wrap tumbler, and this one here I thought was so cute. It's the Christmas movie watching tumbler. So these are going to be so cute for Christmas. And I got some decals. They sell decals too, and so I got these two, or these three. This one here that says the flannel hayride pumpkin sweater bonfires, and this fall, and this one here. I think this one is so pretty. Okay, so I'm getting ready for a craft show in a few weeks, and I'm gonna make something with those. And I thought these were so pretty. Look at these fall colors. That one, this one. I love this print here. Very fallish. They have some pretty vinyls. CSDS vinyl. I like that one. And this one here is so pretty too. And this one. So that's all that I got from CSDS. And you go check them out on their website. They have some beautiful items. Let me just put this up. Move it to the side. Okay. And this here came from, this next one that I'm going to show you all came from, I'm trying to show you my address, but BAMF Custom Creations. And I think I had learned about them from maybe Dixie Darlings on Facebook. I can't remember, quite sure remember. But I have a few decals and a few vinyls. So let's look at the decals first. I got this one, Softball Mom, Teacher, and this one is All You Need Is Love and Girl Gang. This one here, Blessed Mama, Football Mama, I'm a Football Mama, Let the Good Times Roll. That's going to be so pretty on a tumbler. And then just the regular print, and Lisa Frank. It's my spirit animal. I have some Lisa Frank fabric that I'm going to do a tumbler with in this print here. So they have some pretty prints. Okay, and then this is the vinyl. This is the cow print. I think that's what they call it. I thought that was just gorgeous. And then this flower one here. I may save this one for spring. What you all think? Can I use that now? I thought these was kind of springish, but I thought they was pretty though. I can use this one here though for the fall. I like the colors in there, that purple and that mauve. Do a half tumbler. This is gorgeous. Look at that print. And then this here, I love this. So I was thinking maybe, I don't know, something like that. But that's what I got from BAMF Custom Creations. Check them out on the website. They have some very nice items. So thank you guys for watching this video. I'll be coming back soon to do a tutorial. I'm not sure exactly what we're going to do. I don't know if it's going to be a Halloween tumbler or a fall tumbler, but it's going to be one of them. And then we'll get into Christmas tumblers because I have a craft show coming up and I must prepare. So I'm going to let you guys see me work on a few tumblers for the craft show. So thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so you always know when I upload a new video. And until the next time, have a good one, you guys.